Welcome to my new YouTube channel, The Indian Bugle. I just simply made it because it's lockdown period and then nothing. I'll just be giving a short summary of the daily news, the Times of India, Bangalore. Oh yeah, OnePlus Nord. So new okay. So just like a short summary. But before we go on to that, I just wanted to stress about our long journey with the virus. Yeah, it's funny. So what do you say? Almost half a year. It started in March, now it's August. Nearly half a year. We don't know how long it will take us or not. So what we must do? We must we must take the maximum precautions. Put on masks, wash our hands. All that these people say every day. Hands, all the things. And yeah, I guess we do it. But here in Bangalore, Karnataka, the cases are increasing like anything. Like our Chief Minister Yediyurappa and Siddaramaiah, he got positive, Amit Shah got positive. These people are running around. Many people are getting positive. We don't know it. But if everyone takes maximum precautions and try to do everything, we can stay safe, I guess so. So that is one thing. And the next thing is that, the hospitals, right, they are quite busy these days. So not have time for other cases like other than COVID-19. First of all, they are so scared. So I don't think they are because many people are fighting. They get injured and they don't get admitted. And this, yeah. And the day before yesterday itself in Kerala, today's 5th August. Okay. So now it's nearly 5 p.m. And yeah, maybe we can use it 5 p.m. I don't know. So yeah, Kerala. The day before yesterday, kid swallowed a coin and he died. And they were like the hospitals, they didn't treat it, they didn't do surgery, that this. Yeah, they might not, they'll be too damn busy, and unless you're really rich, right, they might not take. And now everyone is getting infected like anything. Yeah, we can say Indians, And then what you see, when people open shops now, especially liquor shops, you should see the big crowd around. They won't know anything. And then once they get positive, how did I get it? When did I get it? What did I do? They don't know nothing. You might take some pics. You see how the people stand. Third lockdown 3.0, and the liquor shops are open. Now they decided opening the gyms also like 6 feet apart. They keep this, and then do nothing. Like I don't know what will happen. How many people get positive. And I don't know if the virus can spread through newspapers, but I'm always reading, but I always wash my hands after this. So we can follow after taking money, newspapers, everything. So and the schools are there, we don't know what will happen, but in news yesterday it was said that 31st of August they will open it, God knows. So I don't know what to do. So coming to our newspaper today, OnePlus Nord had the cheap OnePlus phone with a lot of tested positive, admitted to Manipal hospital. Siddaramaiah is tested positive. So, and then farmer's son tops UPSC exam. Boy, I'm top. I remember, like, yeah, if you study really well and if you study really smart, especially, I guess I can top such exams. So now to top these exams now. 34,021 cases are active and 27 kit cured. Nearly 1,200 deaths, 1,134. Right. So every day this one, now we can see this word COVID every day. Last year we used to say Modi. Yeah, main news, we are back in Ayodhya after 30 years. PM to lay first Ram temple week today. So today the PM will Siddaramaiah's house sealed. We don't know how many people. Yeah, and one more thing, cyber crimes, right? They are increasing like anything. people are sitting at home now, they're seeing phone, yeah, one click you go, you win rupees 1 crore. Oh, when everybody in our country, there will be no poverty, right? Please don't fall into such traps. You can't get money like with one click and all. There will surely be fraudsters. Your student calls grocery stores, loses 98k. Student wanted milk, so he bought milk or something, but the milk didn't come, and then he complained to the customer care. Then what you know, they sent her a link, and he or she clicked the link, and then she gave all her bank details, and within seconds 98k was gone, and then she realized her mistake. It's happening every day. Don't get greedy for money. You can't get money with one click. You must work hard to earn money, especially these days, COVID-19. Nobody uses money for free. Everyone wants it. So that is one thing. The next thing is that one more thing. Gym equipment being sanitized. Okay, just hearing to buy phone. Yeah, many students today, especially in the rural areas, they can't afford these mobile phones for their online classes. So so we can donate our used or old mobile phones. It will be a great what do you say? It will be really good if you so that they will also have the privilege of using it. So you can donate them the used mobile phones. Then nothing much news, all COVID-19 and what there is, and at the end there is there's a paper called Bangalore Times giving all this filming news, and it has been reduced to half because of this thing. Yeah, everything is COVID. Right? People are trying their level best. Oxford is trying testing. You don't know if the vaccine will be ready. China says won't allow US theft of TikTok. Yeah, Facebook is trying its hand. So I don't know if China is predicting it. You can see TikTok is banned already. China we don't talk about it. It's everybody expects it to be the main cause of this virus. So these are main cause. I think it's then that's it. And there are no sports. You should see the sports matches on TV. Like what is there? Everybody the stadium looks so empty. You can go and take any seats. The sports and yeah, there's nothing. Sports page also has been reduced. People are practicing. IPL players are in for anxious wait. IPL players are waiting. We don't know. Everything is being under wait. Student can't move to next level of MBBS without exam. Okay. So ways to help math something. What? So there are everywhere there are memes called this Corona Sutra, something with the creativity of lockdowns every day. This newspaper, you can see it. Okay, even the death toll is really high in the US. Okay, so US is such a powerful country, and then due to this COVID, many people are getting cured. We must stay alert always, and nothing to be scared. We must stay alert, and then follow these steps and try maximum not to get infected, because there's no space in Bangalore, and there's no space anywhere. It's completely crowded. We don't know where they take you if you get the virus or something, or else if you are really rich, you can afford a private hospital, you can afford wards. Otherwise, you have to be there. We don't know what they'll do with us once we get infected. So be careful. Try the maximum not to get. So nothing much. Daily news every day. They're telling ads are coming, memes are coming. They're telling the people to take maximum precautions. But many people, they have lost. They have come down economically very badly. Many people daily wages. They have lost their source of income. They can't pay their rents like this. So so they can't find these jobs. So they come outside searching for them. Then again they start crowding, and then again these cases will increase. It form a rapid infinite cycle. We can't do anything. So the best thing is that we try our best maximum to stay at home, and then take maximum precautions, wear masks going outside. Now it has come to such high level. Before, like 4 months back, it was nothing much, not so much. But now, if it will be better, or else thing will get, the cases will get worse. Okay, yeah, and please like the video, share, and you can comment any queries, anything you can comment, and subscribe.